Yo, what is up, everybody, and welcome back to another vacation series from Phil.
Andy's
Travel Spree. Now, this is a very special trip. We are celebrating my boy PJ today.
It's your birthday? Yeah.
Yeah, so this is his birthday trip. How old you gonna be, PJ?
How old are you? Yeah.
You're gonna be 3 years old. So we're getting ready to board Royal Caribbean's Voyager of the Seas for a 4-night sailing, headed back to our favorite spot, Cozumel, Mexico. Make sure you stay tuned, come along for the journey, because it's gonna be a good trip. See y'all on board. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all, one of the smoothest embarkation processes ever.
Definitely.
So I think it was so smooth because we had a 1 to 1:30 embarkation time.
And it was smooth getting here. It wasn't no rushing. I like this time.
Yeah, and traveling with kids, especially with a 3-year-old,
Almost.
you're gonna carry a lot of stuff. So by the time you get here, you're gonna want to make sure that stateroom is open. So you're gonna drop off all that stuff like strollers, sodas, milk, all that extra stuff. So I think I'm liking this embarkation time. So getting ready to head to this mustard drill, get it knocked out, and go to the windjammer.
Thank you. Do you have the other one?
So I want y'all to see your girl. Look,
He always want to talk about me.
just like I think
wanna
it's
talk
becoming a tradition that we get lost every time we look for a cabin.
when I'm leading.
So our cabin is 2544. I mean, I guess I can see how we got lost.
Thank you.
But we went down this way. Meanwhile, all you gotta go is right here. And this is the room right here, right off the elevator. So
I just followed the arrow. The arrow said that way. And I was like, oh, this is tiled. This is different.
girl, come on here.
Okay. Hello and welcome to my crib aboard Voyager of the Seas.
Hi.
Yeah, this is my little co-host. Room 2254. Correct. You know when you first get on the ship, you never know the room number. So we do have an ocean view room. As you can see, we have the window back here. We have a bed here that he's already enjoying. We have 2 lamps on either side of the bed with a nightstand and some drawers. This side of the bed is the only one with the light switch though.
It's dark.
I don't know how to turn it back on.
Look like you gotta hit it a couple times.
It's not coming back on. Well, it had a light switch to turn the light off. At least, I mean, I don't know. And then on this side we have a phone with a nightstand. The lamps have their own individual switches. Thank goodness, because the switch don't work. I don't know how. So if you come over here, we have a couch. It's a nice little couch that is a little hard. Yeah, you just hit your head on the hard couch. With the light behind it, but I'm assuming that these lights that I just turned off goes to the light that's behind there.
Mommy, they're not.
Yeah, we have a TV here with the swivel, of course. So you can swivel it to the bed, or you can keep it towards the couch. Or if you're doing your makeup or sitting at the vanity, you can bring it out a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. Here we have cooler. Because I don't know if it's really a refrigerator, but we already have like the milk and everything in there for, you know, PJ, because we got to travel with the milk. He's a milk baby. So then we have drawers here with tissue, thank goodness, because we need the tissue. And, you know, if you like to unpack, it's plenty of drawer space. He has his toys down here in this one. Above here, we have the little safe. Just big enough for your wallet and, like, valuable items. No laptops or anything like that will be able to fit. And then we have this above TV. I was going to say above head, but above TV cabinetry here.
Hey.
One thing that I did like about Freedom of the Seas, as well as this room, is that there's also storage space in the mirrors here along both sides of the vanity, which I really like. And then you have your hair dryer and additional storage here, as well as,
I don't know what, Mommy.
good job, storage here. So here they have some printouts for you with some decked out deals, which I will be needing to get the internet package because I didn't get that in time. You can get out the wrinkles with the laundry service that they have here. To connect to the Wi-Fi, you will use that. So after I go ahead and buy it, I will use that to connect. And then they have welcome aboard programs here, as well as some of the shows that they will be having. So this is good if you are not connected to the app or have your app up or something like that. And then you have your plugs here with another light switch, which I think controls the vanity lights. And your, is that a USB? No, this is a phone. So I guess you could move the phone, but I don't think you would. I don't know why that's there. And then the, what is that called?
European outlet.
European outlet. It is burning up in here. So we have the air turned down, but it ain't doing nothing.
They gotta fire the ship up first.
It is hot.
It's like, you know how you get on the airplane and it be hot, and then like the air be on, but it's like just blowing air.
Hot.
Yeah, they probably gotta fire the ship up first.
It's hot. I'm used to that in the balcony room, because you know with the balcony in the air, but not in the ocean view. So then you have this body length mirror here where you can check yourself out and see how you look before you step out the room. And then before we head into the bathroom, I want to show you this cabinetry here. Let's see if we can turn some lights back on. There we go.
There we go. Let there be light.
At least one of them work, okay? We have the closet here with all of the hangers that you can ask for. We have ladders in case we need bunks, life jackets, vests, whatever y'all call them, and then little storage spots over there. We have the above closet storage here, which I never use, maybe because I can't reach it, but I mean it just never occurs to me to use that. But it's there if you need it. We have the signs here. I can't get it because of my nails. But sleeping off the adventure, please do not disturb, which I will be using for my nap time. And then how to use your life jackets, the general emergency alarm, how to get to your muster station, and everything that you may need in case of an emergency. So we have two hooks here that Phil likes to hang like his lanyards on, his caps on. You can use it for whatever you like. And then this little compartment here is just for the handle on the door. So
I was wondering what that was for.
So that it can,
looks like a random little hole right there.
I'm glad that I can help you out there. So here, well, I mean, I guess it's not, because it's for that door. Okay.
It's for the cabin door.
Yeah, the cabin door.
Oh yeah, because this door doesn't open all the way.
So then we have the bathroom here. a little wet, don't it? Okay. What's to say it's used? I mean, of course
clean.
it's used.
Hopefully clean.
But we have the shower here with a little accent to it, with the little raindrop drips that got me. But as Phil likes to call them, it's a tubal shower. Is that what you do? A shower tube.
Shower coffin.
Okay, or a coffin. Whatever. You have the shampoo. It's a 2-in-1, so it's actually a 3-in-1. Because it says hair, 2-in-1. Hair and body wash. So no conditioner. If you need conditioner, bring conditioner because it's not in the room for you. We have compartments for your soap. A handrail here, no footstool, but there is a line to hang your clothes to dry. And then we have our towels. No face towels, of course.
Behind you.
Ah!
This ain't messy.
Okay. It's a lot of towels in here. I am caught off guard. It's only 3 of us, but we have an ample amount of towels. And face towels. And then we have the mirrors here.
And there's storage behind that mirror.
Yes.
You fill it open.
But you also, if this is not enough storage for you, you know you got the storage in the vanity. You have your tissue here, the waste basket for diapers and whatnot. And then you have an additional waste basket for just like little tissues and things. They come with the soap and 2 glasses. The shower is big enough for PJ. I don't know if it's big enough for both of us together. You gonna shower?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Although they have the little tissue thing here, they just keep them in the drawers because I don't even know how it's supposed to stay within that. There are hooks on the bathroom door for your used towels if you're not ready for them to take them. Just hang them up here. And I don't know if I said that, but we got a little waste basket there. So you got waste under control. And I believe that concludes our room tour for Royal Caribbean, Voyager of the Seas, room 2254. Stay tuned for more videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that little bell so you can be notified each time we drop a video.
Alright, we set our stuff down, got the room tour done and out the way. Now it's time to go to the Windjammer because I'm hungry. Especially this one. She getting the attitude.
I never have that.
Oh, she just ripped us one. She just ripped us one. Yes, she did.
I did not.
Let me go feed my girl so we can have a peaceful embarkation day.
I did not.
Dame un poquito, quédate conmigo. Feel the body, feel the body. Si me quieres dime, I can take this feeling. Oh, feel the body, feel the body, feel the body.
Made it.
Wait, I gotta make sure I look like something being on camera.
She look alright. Whatever. So y'all, we made it to the Windjammer.
Just in the nick of time.
Just in the nick of time. So by the time we left the cabin, it was about 2:40. Windjammer closes at 3 o'clock. So if you do have a later embarkation time, just keep that in mind. So you don't have a lot of time to mess around if you're planning on getting something to eat. But in the little amount of time that we did have, I ain't gonna lie, we did some damage.
I don't even know how to do damage.
Okay. But we did want to tell you guys, because I'm not sure if we told you or not, we're selling out of Galveston. And usually once we sell out of our home state of Galveston, we use discount parking. Now they're not a sponsor of ours, they're just somebody we've always used. And so they have a huge parking lot, different trolleys, all kind of shuttles and stuff to take you back and forth for a reasonable price. I believe we paid about $70 for 4 nights, which isn't too bad. So yeah, we took the shuttle here, got us here in no time. It probably took us not even 10 minutes to get here. So it got us here real quick. So Right now we're gonna walk this food off, explore the ship a little bit, and then
Somebody want ice cream, so we're gonna try and find some ice cream.
yeah, PJ be talking about ice cream.
I know.
Yeah, we talking
you
about
the
your
one that
ice
want
cream. So we'll give PJ some ice cream and walk around, explore the ship a little bit, and then we're gonna see what the Cellaway party is talking about.
Tell me if you want me, boy. Feel the body, feel the body, feel the body. Tell me if you want me, boy. Feel the body, feel the body. Tell me if you want me, boy.
She came to spot out her game, y'all.
What game?
The one you hit $77 on and
What are you talking about?
swear you hit a jackpot.
It's a jackpot to me.
What? That barely paid a water bill.
It paid for some drinks.
So look, we found it, but it's only one.
Well, I mean, I don't care.
Look, I told you she killed it in the Windjammer earlier.
What now?
So what you gonna do with somebody on your machine?
Wait.
Wait.
Yes.
What if they on it all night?
They might not play.
But this time I need you to hit a real jackpot. A real jackpot. Add
What's the definition of
add a
real?
couple zeros on what you hit on last time. No, add a few zeros. Retire me, baby.
We are ready to start. Who's crazy? Everybody's crazy, right? It's time for warm up.